Hello YouTube. A few days ago, I just purchased a BMW E39 525i. Most of you came to my channel for mostly coffee making videos, but I'd also like to document some progress and potentially make some car content along the way, because this is also one of my passions. Let's briefly clean the car. My goal for this project is to hopefully restore to its glory without spending too much. The paint condition is in a very good shape and we'll just have to do some paint correction. More on that in the future videos. The interior is also in a mint condition but also needs some work. The car also came with 4 Michelin Primacy tires made in 2021, so that is still relatively new. So now let's review some work that needs to be done to this car. I haven't really serviced the engine yet as of now, but that will soon to come. By looking at the engine compartment, we already noticed some missing cabin ducts. These ducts helps to clear some air that is coming from the outside of the car. The center console certainly aged with this car, so most of the plastic compartments are cracked and needs replacement. Some loose or flimsy aircon vents, plastic seat trims that need some work. One side of the headlights cover is also cracked. All in all, the car drives great and I hope you guys enjoy this content. So be sure to subscribe and comment if you enjoyed this. One last thing that came with the car and it shocked me was this. See you in the next video.
1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter.